क्या हाल है दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है चैनल काइजन पे। मैं हूं डॉक्टर क्षितिज गुगलानी और ये है द काइजन एक्सपीरियंस पॉडकास्ट नंबर 1। आज मैं शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ द काइजन एक्सपीरियंस पॉडकास्ट एंड इस पे मैं उन लोगों को इनवाइट करूँगा जिन्होंने मेरी लाइफ में एक इम्पैक्ट बनाया है, जिनसे मैंने सीखा है, जिनसे मेरे को लगता है कि आपको भी सीखने को मिलेगा, जिनके पास बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, जिनकी स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है दोस्तों। तो इस पॉडकास्ट को एंड तक देखिएगा। एंड आज जो मेरे गेस्ट हैं दोस्तों, ही इज़ अ बीस्ट बॉक्सर and he is a fitness coach also। दोस्तों he is currently working at Cult Fit, Pure.fit उनकी ऐप है। He is working at Cult Fit for like 1.5 years and he is a boxing coach and fitness instructor there, and he has coached me and I have learned boxing and functional training and body weight exercises from him. Now Ajay Lalwani, he has been a boxing coach for 4 years and he is coaching at Cult Fit for 1.5 years, and before that he was a state medalist in boxing and represented his university at All India Inter-University Championship, boxing championship in 2016 and 17 and won the medals there. And he also he was a head coach at Ujjain Boxing Association for 2 years in a row, and he coached boxing to women, to girls who went up to the state championship and won. His methodology, as he said, and I quote, is I wanna take this person to a point where he cannot go on anymore and not let him give up. In general also, he is a very genuine person. एंड दोस्तों उनकी जो स्टोरी है वो मेरे को काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी, तभी के लिए मैंने सोचा मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर करूं। तो दोस्तों वेलकम अजय लालवानी टू आवर चैनल द काइजन एक्सपीरियंस। वेलकम अजय।
Thank you.
The subject of the video is to discuss upon how a person who has been into fitness, who has been pursuing their goals for a long time, but because of the lockdown they are at home and they are not following through on your fitness routines. So my friend Ajay has a lot of experience with fitness and with boxing, and I hope ki the discussion we have might help you in some way or the other. Yeah, okay. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है कि आपका रिलेशनशिप क्या है बॉक्सिंग से और फिटनेस से, एंड boxing ने how has it added value to your life, how has it enhanced your life?
So boxing is मेरा जो relation है, it's more like a kind of husband-wife kind of relation, because boxing is gonna be with me forever. As long as I'm alive, I'll be into boxing in one way or another. I'm not gonna just let it go from my life, because whatever I am today, it's because of boxing. Boxing has given me the identity. People know me because of boxing. They respect me because of the boxing. So yeah, it's my duty to return that thing that boxing has given me. And apart from that, apart from that, boxing has taught me a lot of things. Like, being a non-boxer, then turning to a boxer, I'm completely changed. Okay, you can say that my personality has been changed.
In what aspects?
You can say a short-tempered, a rebellious teenager to a patient and a calm man that you can say I've turned into that thing.
So boxing has turned you from a rebellious and short-tempered person to a calm and more confident person. Am I right?
You're right. So before boxing, I used to be short-tempered, really very short-tempered. Okay, so boxing has helped me a lot to control my anger. Okay, and it has been years that I have not been into any fight. I'm completely patient. And also okay, you can compare the situation. Okay, when you're fighting inside the ring and when you're living a simple life. So it's more same. You need to be patient with the things. Okay, you need to be determined enough. You just cannot give up very easily. Okay, because like we know that the other person is hard there. Okay, he has trained as well as you have trained yourself. So it's gonna give you a very really a very good competition. So stay there, fight. Your time will come. Okay, and when like when your time will come, just grab that opportunity. Okay, just bang.
Okay, so we move on to the second question now. It is why and how did you decide that you wanted to become a boxer? You wanted to coach boxing and become a fitness instructor.
Okay, so being a coach or a fitness instructor, I never thought about it. I had no idea that I'll be a coach or a fitness instructor someday in my life. Even when I started boxing,
Yeah.
I never thought about it that I'm going to teach this stuff to someone else. I never thought about it. Okay, and like if not boxing, like some other martial arts would have been in my life. That I can say for sure. So I'm happy that it's boxing. That it's not like any other martial arts. And the reason to pursue boxing and like why I'm more interested in this stuff is because my childhood was very rough. Like you can say that I was a kid like who has been bullied a lot. It's a lot in all the aspects, physically, mentally, emotionally. So yeah, I've been bullied a lot. Like there were some times when like I used to cry for hours. Like why the other kids are like doing this to me? I used to have no answer. I was really a very weak kid, like who cannot take a stand for himself. So I was more that kind of a kid. So I made a promise to myself. Okay, so when I will grow up, I'll be strong, and like nobody will be able to touch me. So yeah, that dream has come true.
And nobody can touch you now unless you allow them.
So yeah, that's why I'm a boxer.
And what age did you start your boxing, learning boxing?
I started it at the age of 18 because before that boxing was not in my city. So when I grew up, I was 18, so I could finally like do it for myself. I could travel to the other city to learn it. But before boxing, I was doing the other sports. Like I started with basketball, I have done wrestling, I have done judo. So yeah, martial arts was always, you can say, like it was my thing.
Okay, so we move on to the question number 3, and that is Ajay. Ki, what is your take on this lockdown? And what do you think that a person should be doing at home to maintain their fitness goals, to maintain their physical health, and not be like ki, accumulating fat and getting obese by sitting and sleeping all day, all night? What's your take on that?
So it has been almost a month, and we really don't know like how long it's gonna go. So if you're not gonna work out, if you're not gonna do any kind of physical activity, you are gonna end up like becoming obese and like really overweight. So that's not really very good for you, and not really very good for your health. Also, like you are sitting at your home all day. Okay, even I was enjoying it. Okay, like sitting all day at home. Okay, oh what a life. But it's really not that fun.
Humans are made to
you will-
move,
you
as you
start-
said to me earlier, right?
Yep. Humans are nature is like
Yeah.
nature has made humans to do physical work, and if we are not doing that, we are gonna end up in problem. And also, when you're gonna work out, your body is gonna release some chemicals, some endorphins, and you're gonna be really very good. Your mood will be really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're gonna not gonna end up fighting with your family.
हाँ सही में actually study showed that domestic violence has gone up like 100%, like it has doubled.
Yep.
It has doubled. And जब चाइना में लॉकडाउन था तब within first week 300 divorce were filed. 300 divorce were filed.
See, if you are gonna work out, तुम्हारी बॉडी वो जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, वो एंगर है, वो कहीं और निकालने वाली है.
Yeah.
Okay, you're not gonna end up fighting with your wife.
True.
Instead, you're gonna end up doing 10 more push-ups.
Yeah.
So I think that's
Actually, like,
beneficial for you.
when we are sitting, we are not. जब हम बाहर भी जाते थे, थोड़ा भी मूव करते थे, वॉक करते थे या कहीं जाते थे, थोड़ी एनर्जी उसमें भी लगती थी. बट हम घर पे बैठे हुए पूरा टाइम एंड वी आर जस्ट सिटिंग. वो एनर्जी एक्यूमुलेट हो रही है. अगर वो यूज नहीं होगी तो फिर तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन में डेवलप होएगी. दैट्स वेरी ट्रू.
Yep, exactly, and it is also good for your immunity.
Yes, sir.
You are a doctor. I think you know it better. You can
Yeah.
explain them better. Like
Actually,
how, like, working out,
when we are working out, we are increasing our blood flow, to each and every tissue of our body. And there is an increase in
Yep.
production of immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins are proteins which kill the virus and bacteria which enter our body. So
Exactly.
you must have heard about IgG, IgA, IgD, IgM, natural
Yeah.
killer cells. There are T cells, B cells. That's all constitutes our immune system, which kill the pathogens that enter our body.
I'll talk about the three types of people in this lockdown. Okay, so first are the type of people like Kshitij, you and me. Okay, we work out regularly, we are fit. Okay, so lockdown is not going to be the problem for a kind of people. हम पहले भी workout कर रहे थे, हम अभी भी कर रहे हैं, and we will be doing it in the future again. So we will find a way. Okay, we will find a way somehow. Okay, lockdown is not an excuse for us. People, the second kind of people, those who were not working out. Okay, even before the workout, and they are not working out right now. So my message to this people is, this kind of people are, okay, you have a lot of free time now. Okay, you have a lot of free time now, and you can utilize this free time. Okay, nobody's gonna watch you. I'll just pray to the God. Okay, like somehow they get motivated and like they start working out. And third kind of people, okay,
Yeah.
for whom I have the biggest concern, is the people who started working out. They worked really very hard.
They were improving. They were seeing the results. Yeah.
Worked really very hard. They made changes in their routine. They made changes in their
Yeah,
diets, and they were really working hard. Like they had a goal in their mind, and they were almost closer to that goal. Okay, and if they will give up in this lockdown, all that mehnat, what can say, all that hard work will be wasted. It doesn't make sense. Like you have worked really very hard.
That's true. So they should like maintain like a basic routine of working out, do it yoga, dance, fitness, dance, or maybe do bodyweight workouts, maybe do boxing workouts, any kind of workout would do. Yeah. Question number 4. So Ajay, I am interested in knowing that what are you doing nowadays to keep up your fitness levels, and what's your workout routine like, and yeah, how are you maintaining your fitness?
Okay, so it's not really a big task because
Yeah.
a lot of people think that you can work out only at gym.
Yeah.
जो कि बिल्कुल सही नहीं है. All you need is your body and
Yeah.
some a little bit of empty place to work out. That's all you need.
True.
मैं भी वही follow कर रहा हूँ. Like in the morning, as being a boxer, मुझे ज़्यादा like efforts नहीं डालने पड़ते. I can work out. I don't need anything. I can box. And in the morning, I work out on my technique. I try to make my punches better. I try to work on my other like defensive techniques and like my footwork. बहुत सारी techniques होती है boxing में. So I work on those techniques, and in the evening I work out 2 times a day right now because I have a lot of time.
Yeah.
So in the evening I am taking a live session from the cult. Like a 30-minute or a 45-minute session from the live classes.
Yeah.
And anyone can take it as it is like free of cost. It's really very fun. All you need is your mobile phone. That's
So
all.
there's that Cure.fit app on which everyone for free today can take live workout session, and not just boxing. There are many different kinds. Can you elaborate on that? Which kinds of workouts are there? Like I don't remember all.
They have dance.
Yeah,
like,
dance.
Okay, so we have dance, we have yoga, we
Yoga.
have full body conditioning,
Oh.
we have strength workout, we have
Yeah.
HRX.
Yeah.
So there are like different types of formats. You're gonna enjoy them. And in this time, okay, you can like really focus on your like bodyweight training.
Yeah.
Because
True.
usually we don't do that. Usually
True.
लोग करते नहीं हैं. Like, even if they are going to the gym, they don't do that.
And even like see, when person is going to the gym, that's good, that's really good, but if you cannot lift your body weight, what are you gonna do lifting
It's
those
not-
dumbbells and plates?
It's not worth it. It's not
Yeah,
worth it.
yeah. So
not worth
yeah,
it.
I totally believe ki one should be able to you know, do body weight exercises first and then move on to the weightlifting thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, except for like who are morbidly obese people, like they have to use external weights first, I think.
You can no, still they can work out. Like they
Yeah.
don't need weights. Like okay, there are a lot of things.
Yeah.
मुझे पहले नहीं पता थी, but like I know right now.
Okay.
Like with body weight, like you can do everything really.
Okay, so we go on to your fifth question. We have done the 4 questions, and now fifth is Ajay. What's your diet look like? What do you eat throughout the day? लॉकडाउन चल रहा है तो आपका डाइट कैसा है? आपने क्या उस हिसाब से मॉड्यूलेट किया है कुछ, या कुछ ऐसा किया है कि एडजस्ट करना पड़े आपको लॉकडाउन की वजह से?
What do I eat throughout the day? Okay,
Yeah.
so I cannot give you an exact answer for that because I don't follow any particular dieting method.
Yeah.
All I can see you is okay. I eat a balanced and a really very healthy diet, which is like really good and high quality protein.
Yeah.
Okay, right now the amount of carbs in my diet is okay, not that much. I'm going on low carbs because
Okay.
the intensity of the workout is like it's not that much that used to be. So I don't want to end up increasing my fat. So yeah, so carb amount is a little bit low, protein amount is like pretty much same, fat amount of fat is pretty much same. So all I can conclude it with a healthy balanced diet.
All right. So, what are the things like? Do you have a plan for your macros and your micros, and how do you, how frequently you eat? How many meals a day do you eat? Something like that. Share that.
Yep, लॉकडाउन के कारण बहुत चेंजेस आए हैं डाइट में बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टफ दैट आई यूज्ड टू ईट इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट एनीमोर. जैसे ओट्स बड़े मुश्किल से मिल रहे हैं.
What kind of stuff?
ओट्स बड़े मुश्किल से मिल रहे हैं. एग्स आर लाइक एग्स आर रियली डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड. ओके, एग्स और ओट्स
Yeah.
मेरी डाइट का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है. एग्स, ओट्स, बनाना,
Okay.
वे प्रोटीन, like it is a really very big part of
Okay.
my diet. So whenever I wake up in the morning, so here I have a cup of coffee, scrambled eggs with bread. Okay,
Oh.
Yep.
Nice.
so yeah, that's my that's my morning. I take multivitamins. I take multivitamins and other vitamins as a supplement. So yeah, so उसके साथ में थोड़ा सा वो part. Then moving on, in pre-workout I take banana and coffee. So yeah. Banana and coffee and a half scoop of whey protein, you can say. And in dinner, again, eggs. Like eggs can be with something else. You can say oats, bread, salad. So yeah. So okay, in the last 2-3 years, I have learned like 1,000 recipes like that I can try with eggs.
Oh, nice.
So yeah.
Can you make pancake with eggs?
With eggs. Okay, I can make, but I am not sure you're gonna enjoy it or not. But I can make. I can cook.
So I can cook, pancake with whey protein and eggs
I can.
and oats.
Yeah, I can bake. I can cook pancake with oats and whey protein and banana. But I've never tried with eggs. Okay, actually a good idea. I should try it.
Yeah. I'll show you how. I've clicked a photo also, and I know the recipe and all. I've cooked it many times. It's very
So
tasty. I'll send
my
you.
okay. So what you can say? I
Yeah.
take 4 meals in a day. First meal is my
4 meals.
heavy breakfast. Second meal is
Yeah.
my light lunch. Then in the evening, whenever I'm okay, like in evening, I'm mostly busy in sessions. I'm training other people. So at that moment, I don't have time to eat. So I focus more on shakes because shakes are really very easy to drink. You can experiment with shakes.
Yeah.
आपको जैसे चाहिए shakes में you can experiment. So yeah, I take shakes and again a dinner, again not very heavy. Like I take casein, like I eat paneer, I eat sometimes I eat eggs या फिर salad के साथ. Like you can say a light dinner. So yeah, breakfast is really very heavy.
Yeah.
In my diet.
Agreed. What's your take on the importance of micronutrients in the diet?
Micronutrients in diet, you can say, okay, this is the part of nutrition which is most ignored. And let me tell you, micros आपको energy तो नहीं देते, but they really help you a lot in recovering. They boost up your recovery process. They can boost your metabolism. Okay, it keeps you disease free. It keeps you healthy and well going.
Yeah.
So
Boosts your immunity also improves because of micronutrients. Yeah.
I know that our Indian diet is not so rich in micronutrients. And most of the time people are focusing on macros, like they are only eating protein and protein. All they think is like protein is sufficient.
हाँ.
So apart from protein, like micronutrients play a really very major role. Because आपकी जो भी repairing होती है, it is like it happens because of the vitamins.
True. That's very true.
Vitamins help a lot in your repairing. Minerals play a really very big role. So micronutrients भी उतने ही ज़रूरी like जितने like macros ज़रूरी है. So one should focus on that. So I do take macros as a supplement from the main diet.
So you take multivitamin capsules?
Yeah, I do take multivitamin capsules. I take calcium.
Calcium,
I take B complex.
B complex, yeah. Nice. Move on to the sixth question, and the sixth question, Ajay, for you is that what are the basics of boxing? Like, what are the 3 things one should keep in mind while going into a boxing class or starting to learn boxing or trying it for the first time, or they want a career in it and they want to start learning it? What mindset should they have?
First, it is not dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay, don't be afraid of boxing. Anyone can do boxing, and I can assure you that, because I have trained people who were more than 60 in age. I have trained a lady, she was 60 years old. I have trained a guy who was 63 years old. And believe me, they were really very happy, and they did it. Seriously, even if you will ask me, the Ajay who was 1 year younger, आज से 1 साल पहले वाला Ajay, he would have said, okay, like older people cannot do it. Boxing is a young man's sport, and right now I can say, no, anyone can do it. It's the best way. It is the best way to be fit. It burns your calories. It is good for the cardio. It is good for your strength. It is good for the coordination, and it's good for your stress buster. It's what you can say. You can say it's a really very good stress buster. You are learning a self-defense as well. So yeah, it's good. So first thing, don't be afraid of boxing. Okay, try to attempt it, and second thing, okay, it's not going to be that difficult. You're going to start with the basics. You focus on your techniques first. Don't try to initially don't try to be Muhammad Ali or Mike Tyson at your first or second day. Work on your technique.
Yeah.
Okay, techniques are like the main thing.
Yeah.
Work on your technique. If your technique is good, punches में बहुत अच्छी power रहने वाली है. Okay. A few tips that I can share is always be on your toes.
Yeah.
Be ready. Be active. Be aware. Be on your toes. Keep your guard always up, because your protection is the most important thing. So yeah, guard up and be on your toes.
So it has taught you to be on your toes. Can you do you have a lesson from it, that be on your toes? Is it kind of a lesson?
Yeah, I have heard this dialogue in a lot of Hollywood movies, and I know what are you trying to ask.
Yeah.
So be on your toes means, okay, you are ready for any situation in your life. It is not just with boxing. You can apply this concept anywhere, okay? Anywhere. Be ready. Okay? Be ready. There may come a situation which is an opportunity for you, go and grab it. Okay, this situation may be dangerous for you, so okay, you defend yourself. So be ready for that. As well. So whatever comes in your way, whatever comes in your life, you got to be ready for it. Be aware. Okay, don't get distracted.
So it's Rocky movie, and he said that life throws a bunch at you, and it's not about how hard you can hit, but it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Yes. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so we move on to the 7th question. What are your plans for your future, and how do you see yourself growing and expanding and through boxing and through fitness? How do you plan on expanding and growing, Ajay?
Okay, so this one is going to be a long answer.
Yeah.
Because I have really a lot of things to say on this topic.
Yeah.
So plans for boxing is I need to work on my technique.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be a better boxer. I'll do a debut in pro boxing.
Okay.
I'm gonna play a few. I'm gonna play a few fights. I'm gonna compete for a few years. After that, I'll retire. I'll focus on fitness. Okay, because I'm a trainer right now, and in future, I see myself as a trainer. I see myself as a trainer. I want to explore. Okay, what are the other things in the fitness industry that I do want to explore. Okay, and there were the things that I like. मुझे नहीं पता थी पहले. I didn't know those things before. Like okay, it's like this kind of techniques also exist, and I'm really very thankful for the Cult Fit for introducing me to this fitness world, to introducing to teach me all the stuff that I know. Okay, like these are the techniques. Okay, these are the formats. Okay, ये भी होते हैं. I never thought about it.
So Cult
yeah,
Fit,
fitness
Cult
is a
Fit
very,
has
very, very
played a big part in your life, as we discussed earlier. And you told me that it has Cult Fit has made you a better coach and a better person. Can you elaborate on that?
So being a coach or a fitness instructor, being a coach or a fitness instructor, I never thought about it. That I will ever be a fitness coach or an instructor in my life. Okay, so I can. Okay, I will tell you a story like how this thing happened. So
Yeah.
I was doing
Sure.
boxing. I was competing. I was training other people. I was training kids. I was doing well. Okay, my team was doing good. My students were like getting medals in the competitions. So yeah, everything was good. But financially, it was not that good. Like as per the money, I was not earning much. Okay, and that moment I had to support my family because like I'm raised by a single mother. I'm raised by a single parent. My mother, and I had to take care of my family
Okay.
financially. So I had to do something. I had no other option. I was
True.
really very confused. I was hopeless, like what to do and what to do. And at that moment, Cult came into my life. And Cult
Yeah.
came into my life, and like okay, initially I was like okay, like Cult may be a smaller thing, like okay, like any other gym, but it was not like this. It turned out to be a really very big platform for me. Cult introduced me to the like world of fitness. I never knew, like I wasn't aware
Yeah.
of the things like that exist, like, and I didn't know like what was animal flow. I had no idea what is strength and conditioning. I had no idea like okay, dance can be the form of training method as well. So all these things were new for me.
Yeah.
And like doing boxing as a fitness, and I never even thought about it, even being a boxer. It was something new for me.
Okay.
Okay, two years before, if somebody used to come to me like okay, teach me boxing, okay, just for the sake of fun or for the fitness, any 30-year-old guy like used to come, I never entertained that guy. Okay, like I told okay, it's a young man's game, you cannot do it. And now I think okay, how foolish I
Okay.
was. Now I'm training people who are like 60 years in age, like 60 plus in age.
Damn. 60 plus,
Yeah,
and they're
and
boxing because
and they
of
are
you.
boxing, not because of me, it's because of the boxing. They love because
Yeah.
That's not me.
But you are showing them the way. You are their guide, right? You are their guide.
yep, you can see that. So yeah, people are doing that. So I never thought about that. Boxing can be the way of fitness as well. Yeah. So thank you
Yeah.
to the Cult Fit for introducing me to the like world of fitness, and really I'm really very thankful for that.
Yeah.
Like, the personality that I am today is because of the Cult Fit. It really made me
Alright.
a better man.
Okay, thank you Ajay for sharing all of your experiences and your ideas, your principles, your learnings, your knowledge with our viewers. And in closing, I would like you to share one thing, one message to our viewers that they should start to apply daily to their lives. So what is it?
I would like to say,
Yeah.
make fitness as your lifestyle, not just as your goal. Okay? It should not be your goal. Instead, you should make it as a lifestyle. All I can say is that the mantra that I follow, that I can say that is, if you breathe daily, you work out daily. Okay. If you are eating daily, you should work out daily. If you are bathing daily, work out daily. And you can add a lot of.
If you're shitting daily, work out daily.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Thank you guys.
Amazing. Yeah.
was really-
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. And where can our viewers find you? Do you have an Instagram handle?
Yeah, I do have an Instagram handle. You can type I am Ajay Lalwani. That is AIAMAJEYLALWANI.
Ajay Lalwani.
I am Ajay Lalwani.
Yeah, I'll attach it in the description. Okay. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दोस्तों एंड तक ये वीडियो देखने का। ये मेरा पहला पॉडकास्ट था एंड अब मैं ऐसे ही पॉडकास्ट अपलोड करता रहूँगा, आपके साथ उन लोगों को मिलाता रहूँगा जिन लोगों से मैं सीखा हूँ और मेरे को लगता है कि उनकी स्टोरी बहुत ही बढ़िया है जिससे आप भी कुछ सीख सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों नीचे एक लाल बटन है, उस पर आप अपने फिटनेस गोल्स मार के फेंके या फिर अपने लॉकडाउन की बोरियत, मेरे को नहीं पता भाई, दब जाना चाहिए। एंड जो लाइक का थम्स अप बटन है वो दबा दो यार, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। एंड कमेंट करो कौन सा पार्ट अच्छा लगा, क्या सीखे आप, और शेयर करो किसी के साथ ये वीडियो जिसको इससे फ़ायदा हो। दोस्तों रिमेंबर, ऑल द वर्ल्ड स्ट्रेंथ एंड